Yeah, what's up? Going on? Well, news for you guys is that I'm sorry. I didn't know the situation, what the situation was, and I uploaded a video, and I'm going to pull it down. Stay tuned.
Końco tu zarazał, oj, końco tu zarazał, oj, końco tu zarazał, oj, końco.
Yo, what's up, guys? What's on? So, if you've just tuned into the channel, if you have not subscribed, please go and subscribe. Go and press the notification bell icon, comment if you like, and like the video, and share. Now, first of all, you heard that right. I said that I'm going to delete the video, and I said I'm sorry. And there's a bigger reason behind it than under pressure. I'm not under pressure, any kind of pressure. I'm under pressure from my soul, right? So I was thinking about this, and when I got up in the morning, I uploaded the video last night. I got up in the morning and I already have 2,000 views, okay? And then I started thinking, is that why am I promoting this? Why am I being a part of a problem for somebody else, right? As I said, that this video will remain on the internet for a longer period of time, and the daughter, Bushka, John, anybody would be watching it over and over again, and it would not give them time to heal. First of all, we are all brothers and sisters. Goincha, right? That's why I say Goincha, because I believe Goa is first for me. Okay, and everybody in Goa, my culture is very important to me. Okay, now I don't want to be preachy and stuff, but let me just put this as simple as this. If we keep on sharing this kind of videos on Facebook, on WhatsApp, on wherever, okay, what's going to happen is that we are being a part of the problem now. Yes, she did a mistake. I'm not saying she was right to do what she did, but she did it in a fit of rage, or maybe she was seeking help and she didn't get, okay, or whatever the drama is. We are not bothered. I'm not bothered. But what I'm saying is that she did a mistake, and we will keep on reminding her about the mistake. She needs help, right? They need help. Okay, they need to sit down with themselves and start talking things out. Doesn't work out, separate. Works out, be together for the kid, or whatever the thing. But what we are doing right now, when we're sharing that they post all of this again and again, we are not letting them get past through that stage. So this video here is to request everybody, each and every one of you, okay, each and every one of you who is watching, and maybe who will watch in the future. So please delete all of their videos, okay, and forgive them. And your Theath association, there's no need to ban them from here and there. You know, stupid stuff gets said on social media, right? Blame Goans, blame this, and stupid stuff gets said, but understand the mental health over there. Yeah, if it happened to me and you, how would we take it? We would also say no, a lot of things. Yeah, close friends ditching us, everything, a lot of things happen. So all that I'm saying, Baba and Bonano, do not be a part of their problem. Be a solution. Whoever of you have their videos or whatever, all this nonsense kind of videos, or whatever she posted, I mean, just delete all of them. Delete all of them, because that's the right thing to do. And if you do not, and I would humbly request it, because you know what, somewhere or the other you are also getting in on it, and that's wrong. You know, taking advantage of a situation, laughing about it, you know, giving her. I've gone on some Facebook posts, and there are a lot of bad words which have been used, and I condone it. I actually do not support physically, like abusing somebody, right? Whether it's mentally, physically, I do not. And be the bigger person, guys. Be the bigger person. You guys are the bigger people, right? So please, again, I request you to delete all of those videos of theirs and let them heal. That's all that I want from you guys. Okay, you guys have been lovely people. Again, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do it now, and put in the comment section what you want me to do in the next video, and I will definitely start my research. And yeah, okay, peace out. Going on.